If you are tired of feeling anxious every time you try to speak English, we have something to help you.
Today, we are going to practice 200 simple conversations at a natural pace that is easy for you to follow.
You will practice for 10 to 15 minutes on many real-life daily topics, from ordering groceries online and receiving a delivery to discussing job interviews and getting ready for work.
Let's overcome these 200 short and easy conversations together.
Take your time, listen, and repeat. You will be surprised at how much you can absorb.
Let's get started.
Part 1. Ordering groceries online.
Hey, what are you doing on your phone? You look very focused.
I am ordering groceries online. We are out of a lot of things.
Oh, really? I did not realize we needed so much stuff.
Yes, I checked the kitchen this morning. We need many items.
What do we need exactly? Tell me the list.
Thinking. Milk, eggs, bread, and some fresh fruits. Those are the basics.
Did you check if there are any discounts today?
Yeah, I already checked. There is a 10% discount on fresh items.
Nice. That'll save us some money. I love a good deal.
Me too. Every little bit helps with the budget.
Can you add some bananas too? I really like having them for breakfast.
I already did. I know you love bananas in the morning.
You know me so well. Anything else on the list?
I'm thinking about what else we might need. Maybe some rice. I think we're running low on that.
Good idea. You're right. I'll add a 5-kilogram pack. That should last us for a few weeks at least.
Yes, definitely.
What about snacks? Do we need any?
Oh, yes, we definitely need snacks.
What did you choose?
I put chips and cookies in the cart already.
Perfect. You always pick the best snacks.
Sweet. I try to get variety.
When will the delivery arrive? I hope it is not too late.
The app says around 6 o'clock this evening.
Great. That is perfect timing. We will be home by then.
Yes, and we will not have to go outside in this hot weather.
Exactly. Online shopping saves so much time and energy.
True. I don't know how we lived without it before.
Me neither. Go ahead and place the order.
Done. Order confirmed. Now we just wait.
Excellent. Thank you for taking care of the shopping.
Part 2. Receiving a delivery. Hi there. Are you the delivery driver?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. I have a package for you.
Great. I have been waiting for it all morning. I am so excited.
Sorry for the wait. Traffic was a bit heavy today.
No problem at all. I understand. Traffic can be unpredictable.
Thank you for understanding. Could you please confirm your name?
Yes, of course. My name is Anna.
Checking the screen, nodding. Perfect. That matches the order. Here you go, Anna.
Thank you so much. This looks like the right package. Great. Do I need to sign anything for this delivery?
Yes, just a quick digital signature right here on my device.
All right, let me sign that for you. There, done.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your cooperation.
No problem. Is there anything else you need?
Just one thing. Your package is marked as fragile.
Oh, I see. Thank you for letting me know.
Please handle it carefully when you take it inside.
I will be very careful. Thanks for the reminder.
You are welcome. Safety first with fragile items.
Absolutely.
What is inside, if you don't mind me asking?
It is a beautiful glass vase I ordered for my living room.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I hope it arrives in perfect condition.
Me too.
Let me know if you need help carrying it inside.
That is very kind of you, but I think I can manage.
Okay, no worries. Just be careful on the steps.
I will. Thank you for the warning. Have a good day. Stay safe out there on the roads.
You too, ma'am. Enjoy your delivery. And your new vase.
Thanks again. You have been very helpful.
My pleasure. Take care now.
Well done! You have successfully completed the first 50 simple conversations.
Don't leave the screen just yet, because we guarantee if you keep going until the very end, you will be absolutely surprised by the next topics.
And guess what? There is a special gift waiting for you, a complete PDF file containing all the conversation scripts, plus a 7-day guide to speaking English without translating in your head.
Before we continue, please make sure to support the EduWorld channel with your hosts, Anna and Kenny. Simply click subscribe, like, and comment the word PDF right below this video.
Anna and Kenny will read all your comments, reply to you, and send you the complete polished script file.
All right, now let's keep going.
Hey, you are up early today. That is unusual for you.
Yeah, I have an early meeting this morning at the office.
Oh, that sounds important. What is the meeting about?
It's about the new project. The boss wants to discuss the plan.
I see. Are you prepared for it?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous. It's a big presentation.
That is understandable. Big meetings can be stressful.
Yes, especially when the whole team will be there.
You will do great. You always perform well under pressure.
Thank you. I really hope so. Your support means a lot.
Caring, shifting focus. Did you have breakfast yet? You need energy for the meeting.
Not yet. I'm just making some toast right now.
Toast is good. Want some coffee? I made a fresh pot.
Yes, please. That would help a lot. Coffee is essential.
Here you go. Nice and hot.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You are the best.
What time do you have to leave for work?
Around 8:30. The meeting starts at 9.
You still have some time then. No need to rush.
Yeah, but I still need to choose what to wear. That is always the hardest part. Any ideas? I want something simple and professional.
How about your blue shirt and dark pants?
Good idea. I don't want to look too formal or too casual.
Confident. Approving. That combination is perfect. Professional, but comfortable.
You always give the best advice.
You always look perfect for work. Don't worry about it.
Aw, thanks. That makes me feel more confident.
High energy, motivational boost. Good luck today. You will crush the meeting.
Happy. Walking towards the door. Thank you. I'll tell you how it goes when I get home.
Waving, warm closing. I will be waiting to hear all about it. Now, go get ready. Welcome back to Part 4, the Roadside Tea Stall.
Hi there. Cold morning today, right?
Yeah, really cold. That is why this hot tea feels so perfect.
I completely agree. Nothing beats hot tea on a cold morning.
Absolutely. It warms you up from the inside.
True. Do you come to this tea stall often?
Sometimes. It is on my way to work, so it's convenient. What about you? Do you come here regularly?
This is my first time here, actually. I just wanted something warm.
Then you picked the right place. Their tea is really good.
That's great to hear. I'm glad I stopped by. What do you usually order when you come here?
Just classic hot tea with a little sugar. Simple and comforting.
That sounds great. I got the same thing today.
Good choice. You cannot go wrong with the classic.
Nice. So, are you heading to work right now?
Yeah, I work nearby, just a few blocks from here.
That is convenient. What kind of work do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small studio downtown.
Oh, that is really cool. I love creative jobs like that.
Thanks. It can be challenging, but it's very rewarding.
I can imagine. Creating art for a living sounds amazing.
It is. I feel lucky to do what I love. And what about you?
I'm in customer support, mostly online work from my laptop.
That is interesting. Do you work from home?
Sometimes. It depends on the day and the workload.
Must be pretty busy dealing with customers all day.
Very busy. But tea breaks like this make the day easier.
I agree completely. A good cup of tea can change your whole mood.
Exactly. Well, it was nice chatting with you.
Same here. Maybe I'll see you here again sometime.
I hope so. Have a great day at work.
You too. Stay warm out there. Part 5. At the Farmer's Market. Good morning. These vegetables look absolutely fresh and beautiful. Good morning to you. Yes, they were picked early this morning. Oh, really? That is wonderful. I love farm fresh produce. We bring them straight from our farm to the market. That explains why they look so vibrant and healthy. Thank you. We take pride in our quality. I can tell. Are these tomatoes organic? Yes, they are 100% organic and pesticide-free. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Very healthy. We believe in natural farming methods. That is great. How much for one basket of tomatoes? It is $5 per basket. That is very reasonable for organic produce. We try to keep our prices fair for everyone. I appreciate that. I will take one basket, please. Great choice. These tomatoes are perfect for salads and cooking.
Wonderful. Is there anything else you recommend today?
What about these carrots? They are very popular.
They do look very orange and healthy.
They are naturally sweet, perfect for salads or cooking.
How much are they per bunch?
Holding up a bunch. $3 for a bunch. Very good value.
Okay, I will take a bunch of carrots too.
Excellent. Your family will love them.
I'm sure they will. Do you have any fresh herbs?
Showing the herb pots. Yes, we have basil, mint, and parsley today.
Oh, I will take some basil too. It goes well with tomatoes.
Perfect combination. Let me pack everything for you.
Thank you. Do you accept card payments here?
Pointing to the reader. Yes, we accept both cards and cash, whatever is convenient.
Tapping his card. Perfect. Here is my card. Thanks for the fresh produce.
Waving. Friendly closing. Thank you for shopping with us. Please come again. Welcome to topic, How to Talk About Job Interviews. Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
You are welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. A bit nervous, though.
That is completely okay. Everyone feels that way on interview day.
Yes, I guess so. This is actually my first real job interview.
Oh, really? Well, do not worry too much about it.
I'm trying to stay calm and focused.
That is the right attitude. Just relax and be yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. I will try my best to do that.
Great. Now, can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Kevin. I am 23 years old.
And what did you study in school?
I studied computer science at the local university. I graduated last year.
Computer science. That is very relevant to our work here.
Yes, I love working with technology. It is my passion.
That is nice to hear. Why do you want to work at our company?
Because I really admire your projects and company culture.
What specifically do you admire about us?
I love how innovative your products are, and I want to learn from your talented team.
Great answer. We do have a wonderful team here.
That is one of the main reasons I applied.
Do you have any experience in this field?
Yes, I worked as a trainee for 6 months at a local IT firm.
That is good. What did you learn during that time?
I learned about teamwork, meeting deadlines, and problem solving.
Wonderful. Those are valuable skills. What are your strengths?
I am a fast learner, and I always stay positive even under pressure.
I am highly approving. Those are excellent qualities. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What does a typical day look like at this company?
Good question. I like your curiosity. I think you will fit in well here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That means a lot to me.
Topic 7. At the gift shop conversation. Hi there. Welcome to our gift shop. How can I help you?
Hello, I am looking for a birthday gift for someone special.
Of course. We have many options. Who is the gift for?
It is for my sister. Her birthday is this weekend.
Oh, how lovely. What kind of things does she like?
She loves cute and pretty things. Anything colorful works.
That is sweet. How about this beautiful perfume set?
Let me see. It smells nice, actually.
It is one of our best sellers, very popular with women.
It is lovely, but do you have something more colorful?
Yes, of course. Look at these handmade candles over here.
Oh, wow! They are beautiful. I love the colors.
They are very popular. Each one is made by local artists.
That makes them even more special. How much are they?
Only $25 for the complete set of 3.
That is a very good price. I will take one set, please.
Excellent choice. Your sister will love them.
I think so too. Would you be able to wrap it for me?
Yes, of course. We offer free gift wrapping.
That is wonderful. Can you add a small birthday card too?
Sure thing. We have several designs. Which one do you prefer?
The one with the flowers looks nice.
Great choice. Do you want me to write something on it?
Yes, please. Can you write happy birthday on it?
Of course. Any special message you want to add?
Just write happy birthday with love from your brother.
That is sweet. Here you go, all wrapped and ready.
Wow, that looks amazing. You did a beautiful job.
Thank you. I hope your sister has a wonderful birthday.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you and goodbye.
Congratulations, you have finished all 200 real-life conversations with 7 important topics.
Remember, do not just listen one time. Please, come back and listen again.
Press pause. Repeat every sentence and copy the pronunciation and the intonation of the speakers.
Many students have used this method, and it is very successful.
Please spend 10 minutes every day practicing. After 3 months, you will speak naturally without translating in your head.
If this content is useful, please support our channel and your hosts, Anna and Kenny.
Please click subscribe, like, and share to help us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.